Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, sir.
So today we will deal with another part of the assessment that goes beyond paper and pencil test. So that is what we call the performance assessment. But before that, let's recall first na yung mga nilecture ko na sinend ko kagabi. So I expect na pinanood nyo yun at may prior knowledge na kayo sa mga, para makasagot kayo sa mga scenarios, questions, and activity ko later. So my first question is, what do teachers usually do in a performance assessment? So I know that it is a basic question na kasi na-discuss nito ni Sandara. What do teachers usually do in a performance assessment? Okay. Alvarame.
Favorite student.
So, sa performance-based assessment is that the teacher use the na-learn ng mga students in a way na i-demonstrate nila yun sa pag-apply niya sa real-life scenarios, not in a way na rote memorization lang.
Okay, tama din yun. That in performance assessment, yung knowledge ng estudyante is dapat may apply nila into real-world situation. So, can you please give me one example of a performance assessment? Okay, Pantaleon. One lang.
For example, it's first sa PE lesson badminton. So first we have to learn the basic, yung paano mag-serve and everything. And then later on, we will have to perform in like game sa.
Okay, tama din yun na sa ni Russell na yung sa badminton na kailangan start from the basic and later on ma-apply natin siya into a performance task. So, mag-move naman tayo sa types of performance assessment. So, I presented that there are two types of performance assessments. So, what are those? Okay, can someone explain what is restricted? Okay, Pantaleon, again.
According sa report mo, restricted is isang skills lang yung gina-measure sa performance.
Okay, so one skills na yung gina-measure. So what do you think is the time frame of restricted time? Usually short time for
specific na class time.
yung klase. Base ba siya or weeks?
Days.
Okay, days lang. So tama yun na days lang. In restricted type, so this is what we call the short term. The time frame of restricted type is short term lang siya. So usually, kasi brief lang kasi siya or structure. So in extended naman, who can explain what is extended? And what is the time frame of extended type? Catering.
So, good morning. Extended. So, kanina pinag-usapan natin yung restricted na iisa lang yung yung skills. So, pagdating naman dito sa extended, from the word itself na extended, so, merong dagdag or medyo, if ever, marami siyang skill na i-observe and then, it needs more time para ma-complete or madan yung task.
So, several days
Apo.
siya.
Yes.
So, can you please give one example na kailangan siya accomplish in a days or weeks?
For example, yung...
And also, may apply yung mga several skills na sabi mo kanina.
So, for example, isang ko rin ng activity is yung case study. So, doon sa case study na yon, di ba, hindi lang nalilimit yung knowledge mo, dapat include din yung skills mo and then kailangan ng days kasi nga hindi yun siya magagawa within one day lang kasi nga marami ka pang dapat na i-include.
Ano ba yung characteristics na nandoon sa case study that makes it an extended type?
First is...
Bakit maraming skills na ma-apply doon ng estudyante?
First is kailangan mo, kailangan ng knowledge and then yung time kasi nga kailangan mong mag-research So it takes time para makaget ka ng information na kinakailangan.
So agree ba ang lahat sa sinabi ni Trey na time lang?
Yes.
Time lang at knowledge lang ang kailangan sa extended time?
Yes.
Okay, sinong may i-add? Bakit hindi kayo agree sa sinabi ni Trey? Miss Loren?
I agree with Mr. Turing na yung sa extended is kailangan ng more time, and it also measure kasi ng comprehensive application of knowledge. So sa restricted is specific lang, whereas sa extended is more complex, so different na skills ang i-apply, and then it also it has a characteristic of being authentic.
So ano ba yung kulang sa sagot ni Turing kanina? Yung characteristics na present doon na dapat yung mga sabihan na there are multiple skills that students must apply in the case study. Like, sabihan lang kanina kasi knowledge at saka time lang yung characteristics that makes it extended. So, ano yung kulang doon?
It measures not just specific skills but more than one skills.
Okay, tama din yun yung sabi ni Loren na it measures multiple skills. So what I mean for this is that the communication, the planning, the creativity, so those are the characteristics that makes the case study extended time. So I know that you're ready with this activity. Write E if the task is extended and write F if it is restricted. So pwede lang kayo magsagot sa mga strategy. So, can you please rate number 1?
Individually, demonstrate the correct steps for using a microscope and label its parts while doing it.
So, who answered FST? Raise your hand if you answered T or extended. Who answered T? Okay, Alvarame. Si Alvarame lang ang extended. So, F naman.
F.
Restricted. So, may nasagot ba na extended?
Wala.
O, sige. Bakit restricted, Rizarian?
I think restricted siya kasi naka-specific na yung activity, which is i-label yung mga parts. And ano lang siya, and need na siya ng short response. Like, ilagay mo lang yung mga parts sa and as well, knowledge din.
So, if you're given a chance to revise this, that you want to make it extended, ano yung i-change mo dito?
I think label the parts and add its function.
Tama yung sagot ni Gisarian kanina that it is restricted, but sabi ko sa kanya, pag i-change niya ito, ano yung mga dapat niya na i-add na that will make this task extended. So sabi niya, function lang. So do you think that that is enough to make this task extended?
No po. And I think, mag-add din siya ng rubrics. And i-gawin niyang complex yung pag-construct niya ng pag-construct niya ng gagawin.
Okay, so sino pa yung may ibang sagot? Okay, thank you, Ms. Gisarian. Okay, Sir Bandong.
Maybe you can use microscope to view specimens para mas ma-demonstrate nila and like they can use it in real life for diba sa future din naman diba ang purpose ng performance based para magamit nila in real life kapag extended ang gamit mo. Magamit nila yung skills nila and also yung other kind na skills nila. So maybe gawin mong i-label nila yung mga microscope and they can use it to view specimens.
Okay, tama yung sinabi ni Aaron na magiging extended ito if the students will demonstrate it and apply nila in future tasks or future work. So the second one is in pairs, plan and present a 3-minute speech showing how to resolve a conflict between classmates.
Yes.
Who answered restricted? Restricted, please raise your hand. Restricted. Ate Sauyen, ate, okay. And extended naman. Okay, bakit siya restricted, ate Sauyen?
For me, restricted siya kasi di ba ang restricted, ang time frame niya is short time lang. And it's just only 3 minutes. Kasi kung extended, it takes days and weeks to do the task. Very restricted. Kahit may planning pa siya.
Restricted kasi
Short time lang.
short time lang yung kailangan. So, ano yung characteristic na present dyan na make it restricted? Yung time lang ba? Yung time frame lang ba ng restricted? Yung characteristics niya.
Structured din siya. Kasi may yun sa instruction na gagawa sila ng skit. And then from the word plan, so structured na siya. Then,
Okay, so agree ba kayo? Ikaw ba raming bakit siya extended? Thank you.
Kasi kung andyan, hindi naman di sabi na 3 minutes skate, hindi yan yung planning, para pag-present lang yung 3 minutes skate yan. So, mas yung planning dyan, mas mahaba, and then they will show, they will acquire, they will use also the knowledge that paano sa pag-resolve ng conflict.
So yes, tama yung sagot ni Albarami that this task is extended kasi hindi naman minimum dyan na 3 minutes skip yung paggawa, which is short time lang. Ang minimum dyan is yung pag-present na nila. So this task requires communication and planning. So that is the characteristic that's present here that makes it extended. So,
Sir, question. Hindi ba siya nag-depend kung gaano ka-complex yung task? Kasi yung task mo, showing how to resolve conflict between classmates lang. So, that task is parang pwede mo naman siyang pag-isipan within minutes lang.
Kasi hindi mo basta-basta na
Hindi man lang, pwede din sa ability to ang ginano ko lang is depends sa complexity ng task.
yes, yung task is complex siya. So that what makes it extended. So, ang sagot mo kasi is, sagot mo is restricted ba siya? That's
Yes, restricted.
restricted. So, kasi, ano?
Kasi ano lang siya, short task. Pwede kasi yung task kasi, the task itself, parang hindi naman siya super complex na kailangan ng estudyante na mag-isip talaga ng for weeks or around ilang days para mabuo yung plan na yan para mag
So the task kasi is it requires students to resolve a conflict. So mag-base pa siya, kailangan pa nila i-survey or mag-communicate pa sila with their group. So pag individual kasi siya, that's what it makes it restricted. Yung kaya mo lang sagutan, na ikaw lang isa. But if planning or in pairs, in groups, that's what makes it extended. So, okay na ba yung realization error about extended or may naguguluhan? May naguguluhan pa ba?
Okay na.
Sino yung naguguluhan? Okay, ano yung sagot niyo sa number 3 na lang? Kasi may mga scenario pa kasi ako sa next.
Extended.
Model.
Yes.
Kailangan nila use explaining your design choice. Number 4 is
Restricted.
Yes, because nag-freeze lang sila. So, here is my scenario that I presented on my discussion that I want you to reflect on. Here. So, individually, demonstrate how to properly separate mixture using filtration and evaporation, you will be given 10 minutes to complete the procedure. So I will give you seconds to think about this, or what makes this task restricted or extended, and what are the characteristics that is present here that makes it extended or
Restricted, sir.
Restricted, sir.
Okay, bakit Jamel? Bakit siya restricted? Na-present mo na yung kalubihan ko kayo expect na alam niyo na yung sagot.
Because it has an specific instruction and students have only to demonstrate filtration and evaporation, and it binigyan sila ng oras na oras na to demonstrate.
So tama yung sagot ni Jamel that it is short and structured. Structured na kasi siya, yung may process or may procedure na or instruction na sinusunod yung estudyante. So that is the characteristics that make it restricted. So here, another scenario. In a grade 8 science class, kung na lang basta, teacher A gave this task: solve 5-word problems in Newton's law and show your solution. Most students said that this is an extended performance-based assessment because it uses higher order thinking skills and it involves solving word problems. So agree ba kayong sinabi nila na it is extended because it uses higher order thinking skills? Sino yung agree? Na it is extended kasi it use. Ano yung sagot nyo dito?
Restricted. Restricted.
Restricted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Sagas, bakit ka restricted? Can you share your...
Restricted siya kasi ang task lang nila is to solve the 5-word problems. And hindi siya, ang time sa pag-solve nila is, ang task nila is hindi complex and hindi siya ginagamit na higher order thinking skills.
Newtons.
Ay, ma-apply pa rin ang higher order thinking skills and solving word problems sa class nila kasi hindi siya gaano kahirap, hindi siya gaano ka-complex na task.
So matatapos na siya ng estudyante within the day kasi hindi siya masyadong complex. So that's what makes it restricted. So pag i-revise mo ito, pag gawin mo ito extended, ano yung mga i-add mo dito or i-change?
Change is complex siya. Ang change is content ng problem.
Content ng backline. How about how the students were going to apply it? Paano mo siya i-add yung kailangan ng estudyante na may apply ko ito?
So, kailangan nila ma-apply so, yung mga Newton's laws na apply nila sa task is i-apply rin nila sa real world problems.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Saga. So, Red?
Dapat siya maging, paano siya may extended. So, para sa ko ay solve 5-word problems of Newton's law and show your solution and real-life application.
So, yes. You can make this extended, but we let the students apply their knowledge into a real-life application. So, here's my question. When it is okay, not okay to use restricted and extended time? Okay, Unay.
Extended na to 5 minutes.
Restricted na.
Kapag hindi, ito ang sagot mo sa kapag hindi mo, dapat yung activity na binibigay mo sa student mo, alam mo kung complex ba siya or hindi, para merong fine.
Yung complex. So the teacher, thank you Mr. Ukay. So ang answer dito is, it is okay to use restricted if you want is structured and gusto mo ma-administer yung lahat na kailangan mong i-administer. So it is okay to use restricted. But it is not okay to use restricted if you want to measure higher order thinking skills, if you want to measure how the students will apply their knowledge into real life situation. And on extended naman, it is okay to use extended when you want to measure if the students is kaya na ba nila i-apply yung mga natutunan nila, if kaya na ba nilang mag-resolve ng mga problems, or ma-integrate na ba nila yung multiple skills into real life application. And it is not okay to use extended if nagamadali ka, if gusto mo yung uniform yung scoring, if you want a objective scoring, or if you want to gusto mo lang magpahayakay. So it is okay to use it is not okay to use extended kasi it is for yung pangmadalian, but for extended is yung pangmatagalan. So
Okay, done. Sorry. We don't have much